In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down question with a list of countries to your form using Typeform. This is a handy way to let respondents quickly and easily select their country from a standardized list, ensuring consistency and making your data much easier to analyze later on. Let's walk through each step together so you can confidently set up your own drop-down menu in just a few minutes. To get started, open up your internet browser and go to typeform.com on your computer. Once the page loads, sign in using your Typeform account details. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but for this tutorial, we're moving ahead with you already logged in. Once you've signed in, you'll be on your Typeform dashboard where you can see all your existing forms. Find the form you'd like to edit. If you're creating a brand new one, click to make a fresh form. Otherwise, just click on the form you want to update. Clicking it opens up the form editor, which is where you can add, remove, or rearrange questions and content. Now to add your drop-down question, look for the plus symbol, which is often labeled as Add Content. This button lets you add new question types and other elements to your form. Click on that plus button and a panel with question choices will appear. From this list, choose the drop-down option. Selecting this adds a new drop-down question to your form. Drop-down questions are perfect for long lists of options since they keep your form neat and compact, preventing users from having to scroll through a long list of visible buttons or checkboxes. Once the drop-down question appears in your form, you'll see a prompt to add choices. Click on this to start inputting your list of options. Since you want your respondents to pick their country, now is the time to paste your full list of countries. Make sure to have your list ready in advance, and ensure that each country is on its own separate line. This helps Typeform recognize each country as a distinct drop-down option. If you paste the whole list and it's formatted with each country on a new line, Typeform will do the heavy lifting and create each option for you automatically. After you've pasted your country list, double-check to see if everything looks right and that all countries have been added. If you spot any issues, you can always edit or remove options before finalizing your form. Once you're happy with your new drop-down question and ready to make your changes live, head to the top right corner of the editor and click the Publish button. This saves all your edits and updates your form, making it ready to share with others. And that's it! You've successfully added a drop-down country selector to your Typeform. This makes your form cleaner and your data more organized. Thanks for watching and good luck building your next survey.